Hello, this is Deborah Hardman, owner of Nature's Healing. Today we're going to talk about Purification Essential Oil. Ditch the overpowering and harsh chemical-based sprays and keep your home smelling fresh and clean with Young Living's Purification Essential Oil. This blend is made up of 6 essential oils for the ultimate weapon against odors. And believe me, it is. Citronella, Lavandin, Lemongrass, Rosemary, Myrtle, and tea tree work together to create a refreshing, bright scent that keeps you and your family happy and comfortable. With purification oil, you'll never need to feel embarrassed by bad odors from cooking and laundry and pets or any other thing it throws your way. Diffusing it throughout your house, or use more on a target approach so you always feel confident in your home, in the car, or on the go. I use purification even in my laundry. So when I don't have my thieves, I use my purification to clean my clothes. And I got to thinking about this. If I put this in my laundry to clean my clothes, especially in the summertime, and purification oil is one of those that we enjoy using to get rid of all the outside annoyances so we can enjoy the outside summer air in the morning, during the day, and in the evening, then I get to put it on my clothing and smell good and have a reflectant so I don't get bugged. Anyway, that's one of my other favorite reasons why I use purification. Plus, you can put it in a spray bottle and squirt it in your bathroom after you're done doing your thing, because I'm telling you, sometimes it's not too pleasant for the next person to walk in. I just love using this stuff. It just does everything you need it to do. Clean your house with it, for crying out loud. If you don't have your thieves, get the purification. There you go. So if you would like to learn more, go to DeborahHardman.com. If you have any questions about it, comment below, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.